Hey, Paige. Who's that? Is that Kenzie? Kenzie. Who's out the door, Paige? Who's out the door? Who's out the door? Put it back in the bag. Put it in the bag. There you go. Thank you. Put it all in the bag. And pull the zipper. Close the zipper. Close the zipper. Oh, what's Kenzie getting? Oh, she has some food. Put it back in the bag, Kenzie. She got her spoon ready. Oh, put that in the bag. Your suntan lotion. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Digging through everything. No, Paige. Put it in the bag, Paige. No, that's not yours. That's not yours.